entire viewing area is under a blizzard warning.
Salt like the pile right here behind me.
Just made the drive from Austin over here to Albert Lea.
Really that easy stuff.
Little live blogging.
They were shoveling it, they were sweeping it, they were plowing it.
MnDOT is advising no travel.
Dozens of plows out right now.
You can sign up at KTTC.com to get a text whenever your school is canceled.
I want to just show you what kind of snow we're talking about here.
No travel through tomorrow.
It's about 6 degrees out here.
Well, when most kids woke up today, they thought winter wonderland.
It was big.